Managing workers' comp cases can get messy fast. Missed deadlines, scattered notes, and lost documents. In 2025, Casefleet is built to keep everything under control. Casefleet is a legal case management platform designed for workers' compensation professionals. It keeps medical records, timelines, documents, and case notes all in one place, so nothing slips through the cracks. You can easily track events, link evidence to specific moments in a case, and see the full story without jumping between tools. What really stands out is how clearly it organizes complex cases. Attorneys, paralegals, and staff stay aligned. Deadlines stay visible, and case prep becomes faster and cleaner. Less chaos, more confidence. If you want a smarter way to manage workers' comp cases in 2025, Casefleet helps you stay organized, focused, and ready for every case that comes your way.